Let's keep it rolling with dividing fractions. So we got dividing mixed numbers now. So what if we do have a mixed number? Well, it's just like when we are multiplying mixed numbers, you have to change your mixed number into an improper fraction first. That's really it. And then it's keep, change, flip like we have been doing. So it's not a lot different. So go ahead and get your problems written down and let's try them together. So what I really want to tell you is that you should change them into improper fractions first. Do not try and do that and keep, change, flip all at the same time. You will probably forget to flip. I promise you. I've done it before. I've seen kids do it before. I really just want you to do one step at a time. So let's change this into an improper fraction first. So we're going to do 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5. So we got 5 over 2. If I can get it to show up. There we go. And keep the division sign. We're not doing keep, change, flip yet. Okay. And so we do 4 times 1 plus 1 to get 5, and it's 5 over 4. So here's our division problem. So now they are fractions that we can actually deal with. You cannot deal with them as mixed numbers. You have to change them to improper fractions. Now we can do keep, change, flip. So we kept 5 over 2, changed multiplication, and flipped the 4 and 5 so that we have a reciprocal. And now we just do what we've been doing. So we multiply straight across. So 5 times 4 is 20. 2 times 5 is 10. So we get 20 over 10. So now we need to simplify this, but also if you notice, this is an improper fraction. So we also need to change it into a mixed number or proper fraction, it might fit in a whole number of times. So we need to ask how many times does 10 fit into 20? And 10 fits into 20 exactly 2 times. So our answer is just 2. No fraction needed. It fits in 2 times exactly. Okay, so let's try one more together. So the first thing we need to do is change these numbers, this mixed number and whole number, into improper fractions. So we're going to do 5 times 3 is 15, plus 3 more is 18. So 18 over 5. Keep the division sign, don't change anything yet. And then when we have a whole number, remember how we can just always put 1 underneath, and that means that it's a fraction. So we have 9 over 1. Okay, now we can do keep, change, flip. Okay, now I've got my problem. So now we want to multiply straight across. So 18 times 1 is 18, and 5 times 9 is 45. And so we got 18 over 45. So now we're just trying to decide if we can divide anything by those. If I notice, I'm pretty sure the GCF is 9. So we're going to divide these both by 9. And 18 divided by 9 is 2. 45 divided by 9 is 5. So, oh look, we get that 2/5 answer again. Funny how that worked out. That was just a coincidence. So we got 2/5, so that'd be our answer. So that's it. You just have to make sure you change them to improper fractions first, and then you do keep, change, flip, like we have been. Pretty simple. If you're still having trouble, that's okay. Please ask for help. Feel free to do so. If not, that's okay. You move on to the next thing. And you've got 3 practice problems that you do need a teacher signature for. Okay, and don't forget you need a teacher signature on the last practice problems too. So please make sure you get that taken care of. Okay, don't forget to change them to improper fractions first. If you need to go back and look at the video, feel free. Otherwise, keep it rolling. You got it.